Praise the Lord, she is healed. This week, Blake Lively withdrew her claims of emotional distress in her lawsuit against Justin Baldoni. Now, Blake has been asking the judge to dismiss her from Justin Baldoni's lawsuit, and now she's withdrawing these claims after they asked her to provide some evidence. So Blake was suing Justin for intentional infliction of emotional distress and negligent infliction of emotional distress, meaning he wanted to hurt her and he also did so negligently. And after Baldoni's team said, okay, prove it. Show us your emotional distress. She said, LOL, judge, JK, never mind. I take it back. And now the judge said, oh yeah, you did. So initially, Blake Lively wanted to withdraw these claims without prejudice, meaning if at any point in the future, if she wanted to bring those claims again, she could. But Baldoni's team said, no, you don't get to have your cake and eat it too. If you're going to withdraw the claims, then they should be withdrawn with prejudice, meaning you can't bring these claims up again. You're withdrawing them. And mind you, she's withdrawing them because she doesn't want to turn over her medical records. And people are like, well, she shouldn't have to turn over her medical records, right? Especially not to her abuser, alleged abuser. Well, one, when you claim that somebody has harmed you, whether it's emotional or physical, you have to provide evidence of that, right? Such as therapy notes, psychiatric evaluations, whatever can prove that you were emotionally distressed, you do have to provide that. Now, remind you, Blake did fight for an attorney's eyes only protection of her medical records a couple weeks ago, or a few weeks ago, and the judge granted it, meaning Baldoni and nobody else aside from the attorneys would have access to those medical records, and it was specifically to see any actual evidence of emotional distress. Now, my own conjecture, I'm thinking there's something in those medical records that hurts her case that she doesn't want out there. That's why she doesn't want them to be brought into court. But even Variety published an article on this saying that it was an unusual move for somebody in Blake's case to make because forfeiting your medical records is an inevitable process when you're suing someone claiming that they've harmed you in some way. Think of it like a car accident. If you get injured in a car accident, you have to show x-rays, you have to show medical bills, like you have to actually prove that you were physically injured in that car accident. It's the same thing when you're claiming emotional distress. Now, for now, the judge said you can keep your medical records as long as you keep your claims to yourself. But if you bring them up, then guess what? Your medical records are being pulled into court. Now, Blake's attorney says that they did this to streamline and focus her lawsuit. Focus on what? If did he emotionally distress you or not? It's quite simple to me. If the evidence is on your side, why not turn it over? I don't know. What do you think? What do you think she's hiding? Drop a comment below. Let me know.